Good morning, class.
Good morning.
Today we'll be discussing accounting and the benefits it has towards your career. By now you should have passed your 200, 300, and 400 level classes, which brings us to today's session. As you know, CSUN offers opportunities to find jobs, things like Meet the Firm. In fact, with a CSUN bachelor's in accounting, you're almost guaranteed a job in the field. However, you should know accountants are under a certain set of rules known as the Generally Accepted Accounting Principle and International Financial Reporting Standards. So based off of your homework, can you guys tell me what accounting is and its functions? Yeah, Samuel?
According to my notes, accounting involves information that is used to reach decisions about how to manage a business financials, invest in it, or lend money to it, and put it into journal entries for a record.
Great, Samuel. Good job. Well, Alejandro, what do you have for me?
Alright, Professor. What I gotta have accounting is the recording of financial transactions, plus storing, sorting, retrieving, summarizing, presenting the information in various reports and analysis. For example, you could use balance sheets, income statements, statement of cash flows, and retained earnings.
Great. Now that you guys have a little understanding of what accounting is all about, I have your bachelor's here. Get out there and get yourselves a job.
Thank you so much, Professor.
Hello, Mr. Basali. I heard you're the richest mobster here in the city. My friend told me that you were hiring somebody today to be an accountant. Can you tell me how you use accounting in your family business?
Listen, kid. Back in the day, mobsters used accounting to keep track of bookkeeping and cash flows. That way, when someone owed us money, they paid up. You can handle the ins and outs of our business and keep track of the money flow of the family company. But if you don't keep your mouth shut, you're gonna end up like Tommy over here and get whacked.
What about the IRS? Aren't you worried about them?
Kid, you worry too much. I'm invisible to the IRS. But we can never let our guard down. Gotta watch out for those yuppies.
So what you're telling me is to keep some of the assets and not put it down on the balance sheet and income statement?
There you go, kid. Now you're getting it.
Hello, Mr. Ha.
Hi, Sam.
I'm very interested in accounting and what career choices you have. Here I have my resume.
Okay, let's
and
take a
I'm
look.
interested in my options. What can you tell me?
Okay, well, I'd be glad to help you. You know, the benefits of starting a career in accounting are tremendous. There's so many different choices when it comes to picking a job, you know. Okay, so for example, you could be a forensics accountant, a payroll clerk, a budget analyst, and a tax accountant. There's so many choices because the accounting field just offers various different types of positions. So, did you have a specific one in mind, or?
At the moment, right now, I really haven't looked into it, but I'm trying to find out which one makes the most money.
Okay, well, looking at your cover letter, it seems like, you know, you want to be living the good life, you know, driving around in a Lambo, you know, with the ladies on each arm. So, you know, I mean, you can start off by applying for a chief financial officer, and that starts off with a 6-figure salary. So I think you'd be pretty happy with that.
I think so. I think it's somewhere around the field I want to work in, and it makes pretty good money, so I'd actually be pretty interested in doing that.
Sounds good. Okay, so accounting is an in-demand major with numerous jobs, so you won't have to worry about job security. But be aware there is fraud that goes on, and especially with mob activity across town.
That sounds very reassuring. I'm sure I won't get into any trouble. I don't want nothing like that, but I'm very interested in the opportunity in your company, so I'll probably be taking that job offer.
Thanks for coming over here, guys. So, do you guys have your balance sheets?
Yeah, I got mine right here.
Okay, let's take a look. Okay, thank you. I have been reviewing your documents for a long period of time and have came to the conclusion that you have been providing fraudulent documentation and have been taking money under the table, which is a criminal offense and which you will have to pay the consequences. Okay, Mr. Ha, can I see your balance sheet?
Sure. There you go.
Okay, Mr. Ha, we are pleased to inform you that your company is able to proceed its business based on the documentation that you have provided.
Cool, sounds good. That's why you do things the legit way. I'm
Yeah,
out.
get off me, kid. There you go, kid. Real good. See that? Yeah, now you're really getting it. Just make sure
Mr.
when
Solid,
you...
you're under arrest
Hey,
for
what's
fraud.
going on here?
You're under
A
arrest for fraud. Put your hands behind your back.
Jesus Christ, man.
Come with me.
Later, kid. Good luck.